Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody online. So we're here to talk about iotum, CPaaS solution, in particular our video API. We are second on that list, so just so you guys know who to vote for. So as Kevin mentioned, in the next 8 minutes, we're going to outline the commercial relevance of our video API, how easy it is to deploy and implement, and why it's innovative. So we have a video API that can be easily embedded into existing applications or websites so that you can optimize your offering. With our easy-to-use developer guide, you can actually be up and running in just a few minutes. This is already on our website. To show the commercial relevance, we're actually going to show some real live examples of customers that we have, and then we'll do a live demo.
One of the premier use cases these days is healthcare, obviously, and telehealth tools. We already have existing telehealth providers embedding our solution into their platform. We just listen to the logos of those companies, so we've kind of put a fictionalized example of a solution. The iotum video can be optimized using the variety of tools we have as well as video to give the customers and patients the best experience possible.
So the next example that we have here is MaxLife. So MaxLife equips ambulances with life-saving technology, and they power their telehealth communication solution with our video. So they have multiple cameras within the ambulances, and a doctor can actually dial into those ambulances with just the click of a button. And they're actually able to provide life-saving advice to the paramedics. This is especially useful with stroke units because time is of the essence. And it's a really great example of how they're using our technology.
And aside from telehealth, we have great partners, some of them here today with us, our wonderful partner phone.com, that take our video solution and embed it into their offering with their branding so they can offer it seamlessly with their PBX solution. We do white label with many MSPs, VARs, and PBX providers, and they can take either pieces of the UCaaS solution or the entire one and offer it as their own. There's quite a few other use cases, too many for these 8 minutes that we have, but just to kind of go over them, government, remote field services, education, customer experience, gaming, entertainment, and many, many more.
So we're going to move on to the live demo now. How many people have played poker online before? Quite a few in the audience. That's great. So we have our partners here, World Poker Tour, Captain Play, and they've taken our video strip and embedded it into their existing solution, online poker, and so that the different players can interact, simulating a live game. So we're going to show you that really quick. Let me just hop over here. I've already got a game open here. Full screen that. I'm going to plug in this so we can get some sound here. And I'm going to unmute myself. Hey, Michael. Oh, we're not getting sound. Oh, you know what? I got to turn up my volume, I think. Go ahead.
Hello, ITExpo.
So that's our VP of sales. He's at home in Toronto. You can see how easy it is. So they've actually just taken our video application, they've embedded it into their existing application, and that's what that strip is right there at the bottom. So let's just hop over here. So let's talk a little bit about the ease of deployment. How easy is this to deploy? So once we've set up your domain and we whitelisted your application or website, we have 3 ways that you can actually embed this into your application. And it depends on how deep you actually want it within your website or application. So the first way is very easy. I'm not a developer. I'm going to show you it live right now. And it's just a small piece of code, HTML. It's an iframe. It's right there on the screen. So I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to copy it here. And I'm going to hop over. I just have a WordPress page. It's iotum WordPress. It's just a blank page. I'm just going to grab an HTML. A little block there, pop it in, and there. And then once I hit update, you can see there. If I come over here, I'm gonna just do it off the web page here. Exit that one. Just refresh the screen here. And there we are. So we actually have our COO on the line there. This is Noam. He's back at our offices in Toronto, and that's how easy it is to just embed it that quickly. Now that's a very top level way to embed it onto your website. We have a few other ways. There's two other ways, and they're both done normally by developers. So the first one would be you would load the SDK into using our scripts, using JavaScript. And this is really good for websites. And then the second way, we have a whole toolkit SDK where you can completely interact with our environment. And you can install this package, and this is really good for applications. And I have a slide here. I'm just going to leave Noam there, and he'll be able to answer any technical questions afterwards. So you can see here we have the webhooks, we have REST APIs, and then we also have the SDK. Integrations, I know that's one of the things that you guys are going to be judging on. So we integrate with a number of different applications, but one thing to keep in mind is that this is really easy to really integrate with any application, especially because of all the different ways that you can embed the video and the entire toolkit.
Yep, and just a couple of ways that we're innovative and what makes us a little bit different. Well, as Dora just showed you, this is extremely plug and play. The APIs are simple to implement. Developers love us because they can just put it in and it works. Our security, obviously a huge priority with telehealth, as we mentioned. So we are HIPAA and GDPR compliant. We are soon to be SOC 2 compliant. Our connections are 128-bit encrypted, and we have data sovereignty in many countries. There's a large suite of features available that you can scale up or down with APIs, webhooks, and the simple-to-use SDKs that we provide. But I think most importantly is that we are a full white label solution. You can put your branding on it, package it as your own. Nobody will ever peel back the layers and see that it's iotum behind there at all. The solution also lends itself very well to a parent-child relationship. So if you've got sub-accounts, resellers, you can certainly set them up to do the same thing as you.
Great, and that's it.